Hello. Today I thought it's good to make another test for a camera. This time I will choose this one, which is an Airesflex. They call it Model 4. It's around 1954 camera, obviously Japanese. But it's something special about this particular one. You see the shutter? This is an expensive shutter. That is a Seikosha shutter. And on the back, probably you don't see it very well, but on the back it's got a window, and they call it red window. But guess what? This one is not red. This one is actually green. So it's an interesting camera. I will have some fun with it. And as usually, I will post the pictures. So let's see how this baby works. Okay, let's have some fun.